Okie dokie. For this lesson, you are practicing with your sixes, and I actually just learned a song to help with that. So I'm excited to share that. So first, go ahead and open to the same page where you wrote your multiples of 3, and we'll add our sixes. I'm going to add them in a different color just for fun. You can definitely add them in the same color, but if you want to change it up, you can. So this is to the tune of Mary Had a Little Lamb, if you've ever heard that song before. So we have 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, and 48 multiples of 6. All right, sorry about that. I forgot how fast it went. So 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48 multiples of 6. So if you practice that can help you remember your multiples of 6. So then when you're trying to figure out 6 times 4 or whatever, you can just count off however many you need. 6, 12, 18, 24. Okay, 24. And go on with that. Make sure you have that written down. You can pause the video if you need to. And then it's a similar one to the 3s where you can color it if you want, but you do not have to. Just go ahead and put your answer on the sheet and call it good, or have fun coloring. That is up to you. Good luck.